Shiksha o Anusandhan deemed to be university welcomes Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha Sri Naveen Patnaik ji to the Fulnakhara campus of Institute of Medical Sciences and SOM Hospital. We feel honoured to have the Honorable Chief Minister in our midst on this auspicious occasion. Shiksha o Anusandhan is the brainchild of Professor Dr. Manoj Ranjan Naik, an alumni of IIT Kharagpur. Began its journey in the year 1996. It has emerged as the 15th best university in the country as per the NIRF rankings of 2023. It was reaccredited by the NAC with the highest grade A++ in 2022. SOA has been granted Category 1 university status by the UGC. More than 15,000 students pursue different courses at SOA, with more than 80% of the teachers having PhD or equivalent degrees. The Institute of Medical Sciences and SOM Hospital was set up by SOA in 2005 to cater to the healthcare needs to the people of Odisha. IMS and SOM Hospital, which has NABH and NABL accreditation, played a stellar role during the COVID-19 pandemic when it extended its support to the Odisha government by running 5 stand-alone COVID hospitals in the state at Bhubaneswar, Puri, Kendrapada, Talcher and Tangi Chandpur, comprising 2,300 beds. Around 500 doctors, nurses and paramedics drawn from IMS and SOM Hospital manned these hospitals for more than 2 years. IMS and SOM Hospital was also Odisha's only hospital to be chosen as a center for human clinical trial for India's first COVID-19 vaccine. The hospital extends treatment to the patient under Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana BSKY scheme of the state government. Shiksha o Anusandhan also set up the SOM Ultimate Medicare, a 350-bedded new healthcare initiative in Bhubaneswar in 2020, which has emerged as a world-class wellness destination within a short span of time. Keeping in view the growing demands of quality healthcare services, SOA has set up the Fulnakhara campus of IMS and SOM Hospital, a teaching hospital strategically located in NH16 between Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. It will have all departments including general medicine, respiratory medicine, pediatrics, neonatology, critical care medicine, psychiatry, anesthesiology, radiodiagnosis, emergency medicine, immunohematology and blood transfusion, radiation oncology, nuclear medicine, medical oncology, pediatrics oncology, general surgery, orthopedics, obstetrics and gynecology, ophthalmology, EMT, pathology and microbiology. The hospital will provide round-the-clock emergency service including ICU, ICCU, PICU, NICU and exclusive ICU for cardiac, thoracic and vascular surgery and hemato-oncology patients. Shiksha o Anusandhan is coming up with another campus of SOM Hospital at Sitapalli, Gopalpur, Ganjam, with all the state-of-the-art hospital facilities expected to be functional by end of January 2024. The hospital is located at about 5 km from NH16 on the state highway number 32.